So another thing that I always try to show operators that are coming through here is, they could be their first day on the job and they have to go unload a pallet off the back of a truck. And sometimes the pallet is, it's further back than the edge. So I just, so what we do is a lot of the drivers, they allow us to, use our trainees for training on their trucks. They just help us out and we're just friendly with them. So what you want to do is you want to drive in and you got to watch that your mast doesn't bang up against a guy's truck. They don't like that. So you just drive your forks in about, a third of the way perhaps. Lift the forks to the top, a little bit of a tilt back, and that just takes the front edge off of the pallet. Make sure you shoulder check, and then you're able to just slide the pallet back to the edge. And then what I do is I just tilt forward again. My forks are level. Then you're just able to drive in and pick up the pallet safely. So up. And it's a good idea if you have time in your day to just showcase that to a new trainer, or to a new operator, sorry. And that way, if they get onto the job that first day, they're not looking like a fish out of water.